Alright, let's go over homework 1.6, number 7. Alright, so what we want to do here is for part A, we want to find the value of arcsine of 1/2. Right, so inverse function is usually more complicated than the original function. So first thing I will do is let this guy equal to, say, theta. Just name it to something. So we're looking for theta. Right, so the answer is going to be theta. Theta equals, so that's the answer. All right, so we're going to rewrite it using the original sine function. So if arcsine goes from 1/2 to theta, then regular sine goes from theta to 1/2. Okay, and remember that for to have arcsine, we have to make sure that the theta is between. So theta is between negative pi over 2 to positive pi over 2. Right. So I would usually use a unit circle. So I just draw a unit circle there, right? Then x-axis is somewhere around there, and then you put the y-axis there, right? Right. So it's going to be a nice angle. So sine theta represents the y value. So we want y value to be 1/2. So this is a unit circle. So here's 1 here, 1 here, negative 1 here, and negative 1. So 1/2 is going to be right around here. Then you look at the point right here on the circle, unit circle. All right, so this is 1/2. Then we're looking at the angle theta. So this is angle theta, right? But you can see that if you look at this triangle, right triangle you can form here. This is going to be 30 degree, 60 degree, 90 degree triangle. So we know that the theta is going to be 30 degrees, which is pi over 6. So therefore, so theta is 30 degrees, but in radians, this is pi over 6, right? So therefore, theta is pi over 6, right? So we can use the same trick to do part B, right? So if you set arc cosine of square root of 3 over 2 equal to, say, theta again, right? Again, we're looking for theta, just to remind you, all right? Then we can rewrite it using the original cosine function. So it's going to be, okay, arc cosine goes from square root of 3 over 2 to theta. So cosine of theta is equal to square root of 3 over 2. All right. Then again, we can actually do the similar thing, and so we have unit circle again. All right, it's not very pretty, but you have the x-axis, and we have the y-axis. All right. And we have, so cosine represents the x-coordinate on the circle. So it's a square root of 3 over 2 is somewhere around here. Right. Remember that in this case, to have an arc cosine, theta has to be between Remember, we have to make sure that the function is 1 to 1. Then we restricted the theta value between 0 and pi in this case, right? So you can see that here we actually get exactly the same triangle as before. So you have this, right? This is the theta we're looking for. But again, theta is going to be, this is a 30 degree, 60 degree, a 90 degree triangle. So it's a pi over 6 again. So answer here is pi over 6. Right? I hope that this was clear.